Hello and welcome. My name is Sabrina Brightstar, and today I'd like to talk about a conscious wayshower. Ooh, have you heard that word before? I was writing and I heard in my mind's eye, conscious wayshower. You are a conscious wayshower. Wow, my body, you know how they call that the truth bumps when you hear a word or you meet someone or you go to some geography place and you get an activation. I call it swapping keys and codes. I believe we all have keys, we all have codes, and certain combination unlocks those keys and codes, right? When you're at a certain frequency, somebody can say something and that is the right combination to unlock a key and a code. You can go to a geography place, you can go someplace in nature, and that combination can unlock a key and a code. So I don't believe anyone is more special or anyone is more deserving. I am a believer that we are one. I believe in oneness. And I also believe we're on this journey, and a part of the journey, a part of the fun, a part of the game is to discover, or better said, uncover our keys and codes, uncover the keys and codes. So maybe this word might be an encoded word in your field. If you say the word conscious wayshower, maybe your body will feel something, and maybe it won't. It doesn't matter. So when I was thinking of this word, when I was journaling on this and hearing this word in my mind's eye, conscious wayshower, I'm like, well, what is a conscious wayshower? And I thought, well, what is it not? What's the opposite of it? And to me, the opposite of a conscious wayshower is a person who is trying hard, is a person who is forcing, is a person who is recruiting, is a person who is manipulating because whatever the reason is. But it's this sticky, heavy energy that may be coming from a good place. I know when I was in a cult, I was one of Jehovah's Witnesses, my heart was in a very pure, wonderful place. And at that time, I believed Jehovah's Witnesses had the truth, the only truth. And I believed that everyone else was going to die. So I felt this huge responsibility to invest my life. I dedicated for free my life to being a full-time minister, knocking on doors, trying to recruit people because I was trying to save them. So even though my intention was pure, my heart was pure, my motive was very pure, I still had this heaviness of feeling people are going to die on my watch if I don't invest my time, if I don't make my ministry a priority, people could die. And that's a very heavy vibe to carry around. And it's also a fear-based vibe. Because if I'm afraid somebody else might not make it because I said or didn't say the right thing, I didn't recruit or witness to them, that's a fear-based mentality. And for me, conscious wayshower is a person, is a woman, is me as a woman, knowing, remembering that we are one, that we are one. I believe in oneness. It is my core belief at this point that I believe in oneness. And so as a being, as a woman who believes in oneness, I don't have any fear. Not that I never have fear, I don't mean that, but in general, when I'm thinking logically, when I'm feeling into it with my emotions and my body, I'm not worried for anyone. I'm not worried someone is going to miss the train. I'm not worried someone is not going to wake up. I don't have an urgency. I don't have a feeling that certain people are the chosen ones, that certain people are the special ones, that certain people are deserving of everlasting life, or whatever way you want to use it. So to me, a conscious wayshower is somebody who is able to embody that knowing, that frequency, that vibration, that we are one, we are united. No one is more special. No one is more deserving. No one is responsible to save someone else. And functioning from that place in my body, it feels calm. It feels balanced. It feels like surrendering, but not like giving up. It's just surrendering, like I can hold the space of what I know. Like, and it's not my job to convince anybody of anything. Everybody gets to have their journey, right? Like I believe we're all in this game. Like we all wanted to customize this game for us. So this is your game, created by you, designed by you, customized by you, for you, because of you, all because of you, right? Like, so each of us, so who am I to say someone else's journey is the wrong way, right? Who am I to say someone else's beliefs or opinions are inaccurate? Who am I to say I know better than you, so follow me, right? Like, again, it goes, that's the hierarchy program. That is making something more special, more valuable. And I believe we're all valuable. We're all one. So conscious, a conscious way shower. Conscious WayShower. Does that word excite you? I just love, love, love that word. I am a conscious WayShower. I delight in being a conscious WayShower. I relax into knowing I'm a conscious WayShower and there's nothing to do. There's nothing to do. It's just a state of being that I get to embody, and I get to hold this frequency, and I can invite this frequency to become even more amplified, so I can access this knowing, I can access this frequency more of my time. I can have thoughts and feelings and reactions from this frequency. Can you imagine doing something that's really challenging or triggering, like talking about politics maybe, or watching a debate? If you would watch the debate from that state of being where you just know you're a conscious WayShower and you didn't get triggered, you didn't have a reaction, like, wouldn't that be beautiful? So I'm not saying you need to do that, and I'm not saying I do that, but I'm just having the awareness that this is a state of being that can really serve me. And for me and my body, it feels really exciting. It feels so good. It feels so good. It feels so good. So conscious WayShower. Would you like to be a conscious WayShower? Do you like the word? Thanks for listening.